nothing, no face, right on my bed. This is from Bare Naked Bath, and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it as quickly as possible because I'm using one of these bad boys tonight. Because I haven't had a Bare Naked bath bomb in a while. So let's see what's inside. And pardon if you hear any noise in the background. My husband is working from home today, and as he does mostly now, there he goes. Listen. So he's probably going to be making noise. All right, so let's see what I have here. All right, first one that I have is Spookville Special. Let's see if they had a scent on there. They don't. Oh, it's got a little smush there. Oh, the whole bottom is soft. Anyway, smells like caramel or something. Oh, I think this is the invoice. Yes. All right. The next item is called Spooked because it's that time where people are starting to sell these stuff. I think they should sell them all year round. You know, like the spooky shops, Glitter and Gore, and Sweet Shop of Horrors, and that type of. This must have got banged around. Like this is kind of powdery too. All right. Oh look, there's cute stuff at the bottom. I'll show you in a minute. We have a cauldron called Happy Caster. Yeah, they're all like, they were tripping with this box, evidently, in the shipping department. And then a spell casting 101. And then finally, my all-time favorite bomb from her, Render Me Heartless. Now, I don't know if this is still the same scent. I think she said she was going to change the scent. But this bath bomb is just so beautiful. I haven't purchased from her in a while, and let me tell you why. It's stupid. Because she fell off of my Instagram feed. And there's so many other people out there selling that it's the people who are actually coming up on my feed to get my orders. It's not right, but that's what happened. She just fell off my feed. And I went looking for her, and I was like, let me place an order real quick. So this is Render Me Heartless. I can't smell it to know if it's the original scent. I don't think it is. I do believe she changed it. But she did say she put a little extra glitter on the render bomb. And then, let's see what this other thing is. It looks awesome, whatever it is. It's a pop-up box. Oh yes, this is going in my spook room. Oops, I can't even hold it open. Look how awesome this is. Oh, this is excellent. The outside, it's kind of like textured. And perfect spookiness for my life. I love it. Oh, can't even focus right now. There's too much stuff going on in there. Awesome. What do you guys think? This thing is freaking cute. All right, so what else did we have? Again, I'm sorry, just recapping what we have. We have this Spookville Special, Spellcasting 101, the Spellcaster, and I'm really not into cauldron bath bombs, but I got this one because it looked so pretty on her site. I just had to try this one. Spooked. And then, of course, my all-time favorite from her shop, Render Me Heartless. Look at the shimmer on that. I'm using this tonight. All right, guys, that's it from Bare Naked Baths. And I'm sorry, Bare Naked Bath. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.